In this video, I am going to show you how to uncap Roblox FPS without FPS Unlocker. So, let's start. First off, just go and search Roblox and open file location. And as you can see, just open file location again and just create a new folder. You have to create a new folder named client settings. And as you can see, just wait. And after that, just go inside the folder and add a text document. Once you add it, just rename it as client app settings. And after that, just click it. And once you've seen this, just copy the details I've written in the text document and just save as all files, and make sure to put JSON in the last and save it and delete the text document, and here you go.